Many professionals build financially rewarding careers. Some build fulfilling careers, but very few build iconic careers. In spite of working in the corporate world for 13 years and having worked in global corporations in both USA and India, I was still frustrated with my work. I felt like I was not utilizing my potential 100%. I was lacking inspiration from work, and as a result, it was not something I looked forward to every morning. In search of my ideal career, I switched jobs and career paths multiple times but failed. Then a painful realization struck me that I've spent more than a decade in a corporate career and still lacked clarity and sense of direction. This bothered me a lot and gave me sleepless nights. In order to find a solution, I started reading books voraciously on career growth, career development, spoke to several experts in this field, interviewed many successful corporate professionals. The insights that I gained from reading and discussions had a profound impact on my thinking, and it made me realize that my approach to career growth and development was fundamentally flawed. As a result of my reading, researching, and discussions with successful professionals, I was able to develop a unique framework called Iconic Career Blueprint. Using this career development framework, I reinvented and rebuilt my career to being a service delivery leader in the IT industry. I also use this framework to enable my mentees who are working professionals from different industries to rebuild their career and achieve their career goals, fulfill their career dreams and aspirations. I've condensed my 16 plus years of corporate experience in USA and India, 3 plus years of career coaching, mentoring and counseling experience into my book, Iconic Career. In this book, I discuss 3 major career challenges. I also show statistical evidence to make a point that beyond these 3 major challenges, other career-related issues, challenges and problems are more tactical. So you have to address these 3 strategic problems first. Throughout the book, I draw profusely from my corporate experience, career coaching experience, and give a practical solution to addressing career challenges, overcoming it, and achieving your career goals and aspirations. I also introduce the concept of iconic career and how you can operate in the iconic career sweet spot state. This is a zone where you have crystal clarity about your career, increasing rewards, and consistent growth. Clarity in career is paramount and the first step in building an iconic career. I explain a concept, a framework called the Sweet Spot of Success Career Discovery Framework, with the help of which you can determine your ideal career path. I also discuss a 5-step program for building an iconic career and explain a process for transforming your career in 35 days. With the help of 3 case studies of my mentees, I show you step by step how you can apply the 5-step program, put it into practice, and achieve your career goals and take control of your career. In the book, I conclude that it is possible to take control of your career. It is possible to build a career of your dreams, and it is possible to operate in your iconic career sweet spot. And in order to do that, you have to understand the principles, strategies, concepts, tools and techniques described in the book and apply it. This book is a must read for professionals and graduates who aspire to build a career of their dreams, who aspire to take control of their career. The book will be available on Amazon worldwide from March 24th. The book launch event is scheduled on March 24th as well, which is my birthday. I strongly encourage you to read the book, apply the principles and strategies, and benefit from it. Thank you.